Medical schools taught that adult brains couldn't grow new neurons until researcher Peter Eriksson proved them wrong. He found neurogenesis in adult human hippocampus, destroying a century of "your brain is fixed at 25" dogma. You can literally grow new brain cells at age 80. Exercise is the most powerful neurogenesis trigger that we know. Running specifically increases hippocampal neurogenesis, the brain region for memory and mood. Sedentary mice have minimal new neurons. Running mice show massive neurogenesis. Your daily walk is literally growing brain cells. But here's the catch. New neurons die within weeks unless you learn something. They need to be recruited into neural circuits through novel experiences. Growing neurons without learning is like planting seeds without water. They just die. Older brains show robust neurogenesis when stimulated. The cognitive decline is inevitable story was based on unstimulated brains. Challenge your brain and it keeps growing. Let it coast and it atrophies. Age isn't the factor. Stimulation is. My neural reset protocol leverages neuroplasticity at any age. Tap the link in my profile for the 21-day program. You're not stuck with the brain you have. Movement plus learning equals new neurons. Start today.